What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Erastus from Garment Creations, and on this channel you get tips and tricks to amplify your heat printing business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can still grow your business using 3G opaque paper, a printer from home, and some shirts, and you're on your way. All right, let's do it. I have a rest in peace design. Okay, there's the design right here. This was a template that I just used. I used my printer. It's just an inkjet printer, right? So go ahead, pause this video, look around. You probably got a printer right there. It's a regular printer, inkjet printer, the same one you use to print your homework or whatever you're doing, right? You can use that to print these transfers. This thing prints out. It applies at 350 degrees for 30 seconds. So today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna complete an order of 50 shirts using 3G opaque. And we're doing that right now. Also, drop a comment down below. Let me know what type of inkjet printer you have at home. And that's like a regular printer, right? Don't overthink it. Like the one that you did your homework on back in the day or yesterday, you can still use that for t-shirts. So I'm using the Stahls A to Z heat press today. It's important that you have a heat press that is nice, accurate. Grab you one of these, test the temperature. It's simple. You just grab this, turn your heat press on, hit that, make sure it's reading what it's rated to read. This 3G opaque paper here applies at 350 for 30 seconds. So you want to make sure everything is on point, right? I'll grab my shirt just like this. I'm going to just load it up on the heat press. Yeah, I load my shirts upside down, right? People's like, hey, why you load your shirts upside down? I've tried both ways. I just seem to get stuck with this way now. So we do it this way. All right. So I'm going to load my shirt. Make sure your shirt is nice and straight on the heat press. It's very important. Bam, bam, bam. So one thing I like to do pre-pressing my garments. That's just closing it for 3 to 5 seconds. You're good, right? I'm going to swing this around. 3 to 5 seconds. I'm good right there. So I got my 3G right here, right? One thing you got to know about this 3G paper, this paper has to be peeled. There's a backing sheet here, and there's the transfer that you need. So what I like to do, I take this weeding tool. I'm just going to pinch the top of this paper here to separate the film a little bit. You don't have to poke all the way through this thing. Just a simple poke, and now your paper is separated. You can just go ahead, peel that off, and we're going to take it to the next step, apply it to the shirt. Got my next one here. I'm going to lay it down. All right, so when sizing your print on your shirt, you want to make sure you got about 3 to 4 fingers from the neckline. So let's come on in real tight. Got it right here. I'm going to take this thing with the Teflon sheet. All right, I like to use the Teflon sheet because it adds a texture on my shirt, and then it also protects my plaiting, right? And it's also non-stick, so it's not going to stick to that thing. You want to make sure you're cooking this thing for 350 degrees for 30 seconds, all right? So let's let it cook, and we'll be back. Okay, sounds like we're done here. We're beeping. Just going to open this thing. I love this press here. Yo, it's just easy to close, easy to open. Just swings away. And now we're going to peel it like this. Look at that. Vibrant colors. And you got you a shirt like that. Boom. You go ahead, sell that. We're going to do that about 50 more times because I might mess up 1 or 2 because we still mess up around here. It might be upside down. It might be crooked. All that. You want to be careful. Take your time. But we're going to do that again and again until we're done.